Hey buddy, I hope you're doing well. So, emojis are interesting topic. So, we always use emojis in WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat and different applications to make our chat interactive. But we ever thought that we can use emojis in our VS Code, our Microsoft Word, Visual Studio as well? Interesting now. So, today we will try to see how we can add emojis in our code and what the hell, why we need this even, right? Do we developer really need this? I will show you meaning of this. So let's start. Here we are. So let's start from VS Code first. So first of all, let's talk about why even you need this. So you need it to make your README files more beautiful, more rich, more user interactive. So that looks interesting. And that is, when you are senior engineer, you are a principal engineer, you should focus over these things to make sure things little more interactive, right? So let me show you what you all have to do. You have to press window key from your keyboard and then semicolon, and you will see this nice toolbox, which is emojis box. And here you can select anyone. Let's say this one, the first one, right? Now let's see, this is my dummy file that I have downloaded from internet, and let's see where I can use that. For example, this Y, right? What I have to do, I have to say window plus that semicolon, and then you need to say type thinking. So Y, that means that sounds like I'm thinking why I need this, right? So that kind of thing. Let's see where I can use more. I can use credentials here, so I can say again that same thing, window and semicolon. And let's say if something is called password here, yeah, they have a lot of things, but I think this is the right emoji that I can choose. So this is something that you can make your README file more interactive. Similar thing is in Visual Studio as well. So let's go to Visual Studio. Again, you have a README file, and let's say credentials, type same thing, and say password. Here you go, right? So here you go. So this is the password icon, right? So you can choose this. Okay. Now, is it possible in class? Let's try that. Window, semicolon. Yes, it is possible, but you don't need. As a programmer, as Visual Studio don't understand, what these things are, because Visual Studio is going to compile. So put only in the README file, because Visual Studio is not going to compile your README files for those errors thing. So use that. But one more interesting thing, this icon, this window emojis thing, it's not that you are a programmer and you can only use it in Visual Studio or VS Code, any editor, whether it is a Microsoft Word or Outlook, your email Outlook. Over there, if you wanted to make your things more interactive, just press this, and you are going to make your conversation more rich. I hope you enjoyed. That's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Stay in touch.